Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Telegram Surveys Part 14. In this video, I'll be showing you how to scan Telegram QR code. First, take the screenshot of the Telegram QR code sent by the user. Telegram doesn't have QR code scanner, so you will need a different scanner for scanning QR code. You can use your device scanner if you have. But if you don't have it, you can just download any random scanner from Play Store. Once you are ready with your scanner, open it. You will see the image option. Click on that and select the screenshot that you just took a couple of minutes ago. And it will scan and you will get the Telegram ID. Click on Allow to continue. And here you go, you have successfully scanned Telegram QR code and this led you to chat section of that Telegram user. So this is how it is done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.